I hope that all of you are doing great. Well, goes the saying, when there is a gold rush, you go and start selling the shovels. That means probably the chances whether you will be able to find the goal or not, just like everybody else, but definitely you will be able to make a huge amount of profit out of selling shovel because everybody needs it. Now, how does it relate to this? Japanese government basically issues the NFTs to reward the local authorities. Basically, what happened, the total of 7 mayors received the NFT awards, and in fact during the function even the Prime Minister of Japan was present. That means what is the crux of the message? Something like this is happening out there. The crux of the message is that there is a mass adoption going to happen with the NFT. Just imagine the Prime Minister of a country utilizing the NFT technology to award in the form of NFT rather than physical rewards. That's what you call the beginning of the mass adoption. It's the authoritative adoption, not just the people adoption. But not just that, even Instagram happened to partnership with this Polygon network to launch this NFT thing. Even Facebook has launched this NFT thing. NFT is about to take over in each and every aspect of the world. It is just like the website. I mean, each and every business in the coming time are going to be having the NFTs. We are talking Ford entering the NFT business, like they are selling the NFTs of the cars. We are talking Louis Vuitton selling the handbags in the form of NFT. We are talking Coca-Cola launching NFTs. We are talking Nike launching NFTs in the form of shoes. I can go on and on. Guess what is going to happen? How do you utilize this news to sell the shovels? Because this is the gold rush. The NFTs are going to be everywhere. Is it like you are supposed to go and find the next Bored Ape Yacht Club and then just wait for the price to rise? Probably not. I mean, I would not. Yes, you can try on that path as well. But I am trying to tell you, how do you sell the shovel? What is a shovel right now? The technology that is going to drive this NFT revolution, the mass adoption is NFT, is definitely going to be highly successful. We are going to see insane amount of institutional money flowing into this technology. Now the question is, which is this technology? Definitely it is a crypto one. So you can ride the success of this technology, and this is how you sell the shovel. How do you ride the success of this technology? By investing into the respective project that is related with it. Now, how many projects are related with it? A lot of projects. We are talking, like, to give you an example, there is an engine coin that has very much big significance and everything to do with the NFT. Very promising coin. There is a low market cap token ZRX 0x protocol I have covered onto my channel as well. In fact, Coinbase NFT partnership, the Coinbase launched its NFT partnering with the 0x protocol. Highly bullish onto it. I am. At the same time, what I'll be recommending to you, I already recommended onto my channel Matic when it was when in the depths of the darkness it was 32 cents, 34 cents, and right now anyone who would have bought have made 300% already in their investment. Still, it is highly cheap, guys. 87 cents right now it is selling for, and I believe in the next bull run easily it is going to $10. Easily it is going to $10. Why? Because if we are talking about $10, we are talking about $100 billion market capitalization. But what drives the price? That should be the question. Just imagine if you would have invested in Ethereum when it was trading at $6, $7. Some of the people were angry because after $8, $9 it crashed back to $6. Some of the people lost like 30% of their money. Some of them just sold out there. All of them, what they must be thinking right now, like at the peak of Ethereum it went approximately $5,000. We are talking about 1,000x. These are the potentials. 1,000x. Why something like this is possible? It is simply possible because of the mass adoption. If you have so many people mass adopting to any particular technology, you are going to benefit from it. Like, you are going to see insane amount, even with the pump and dump, so much of the things happening. When mass adoption is there, you cannot help but the assets value grows. So you need to identify the projects that is actually going to help mass number of people. So this is the reason, like, I would suggest the Polygon or the Matic to go and buy immediately. And even for somebody who's not bought their even the first cryptocurrency, what I'm going to tell you, and even if for the people who have bought it onto another platform, you would not want to miss buying it onto the best platform out there, the Binance. The Binance, I have left at the left side of the screen, there is a QR code. You can directly scan through your mobile and you will be landing onto the Binance page. You register to it and immediately within few minutes you buy your Polygon crypto. This is a long-term hodl, guys. This is a kind of a thing I believe in the future it is going 100x. And that too, what kind of 100x? I'm not talking about a random shit coin that is going 100x, because in there you cannot put, let's say $100,000. In Matic, because it is a $3 billion market cap, you can even put $1 million, and then once it goes 100x, you can take out your $100 million without affecting the price much. If you have a very small token that goes 100x, probably when you are investing big sum of money into it, that's when probably you are yourself pumping the coin. And a lot of projects, 99% of the projects are going to fail eventually. So this is the QR code, but for the people who do not want to scan the QR code, there is a link down below in the video description. That is the referral link for Binance, and if you sign up via that, you will be getting so many bonuses and benefits. So definitely you would not want to miss upon. All in all, what I'm trying to tell is that the Prime Minister awarding their mayors, 7 mayors were awarded in the form of NFT. Definitely it is much valuable for the people, right? Because NFTs are being awarded to the mayors. Just imagine what kind of trend it is going to make in the future. We have already seen so much of the surge, like Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunk. This is just the tip of the surface, guys. The kind of problem the NFT is solving, basically digital certificate of ownership, the future is going to be NFT. Your licenses, your tickets, everything, like you don't need to carry physical paper anymore in the future. I believe it will be your digital wallet, and that everything will be in the form of NFT, which is non-wearable. This is non-tearable. It is going to remain with you, however rough that you handle. You do not forget it somewhere, because the wallet is accessible anywhere. This is where the future is heading, and when we are talking about the mass adoption, you would definitely not want to miss it. So if you have already not considered, guys, please again go to the Binance. The link is down below in the video description. Buy some Matic today itself. And even the other protocol you want to go into, high risky and high reward thing, even the 0x protocol, ZRX token, highly bullish onto that. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button. This channel is everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of this channel is, to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. Now again, just reiterating what actually happened. So the Japanese government has become one of the first to issue non-fungible tokens as a form of supplementary rewards to recognize the work of local authorities. The awards were handed by Cabinet Secretariat, a government agency that is headed by the nation's chief cabinet secretary. During the summer, the event was also attended by the country's prime minister. 7 mayors received the recognition for their city's ideas. Basically, they provided so much of the good things or good ideas, and they were rewarded in the form of NFT. So that's it, guys, for the video. I hope you found the content helpful, and till then, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.